Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogwene. Let me continue from my previous video where I stopped. Okay, so this is the Microsoft setting. So I've already clicked on my FFX. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, you click on the equation, FX equation, it takes you to the page. Then let's say I have some symbol. Okay, let's say I'm working on set. Let's say I want to work with symbols on set. For example, you just type your, let's say, set A. Let's use intersection. All you need to do is to press your shift 4, which is your dollar symbol. Then just type AND. You see, intersection has come out directly. Then B. That is all. I've done this. You move on. Let's say it's union you want. The same thing. You press your shift and 4. You know this symbol on your keyboard. Just press it. Then we use OR. All. That is all. Then this. So this A intersection B, A union B. Okay, let's take other symbols. Let's say, okay, I want to do, let's say A is an element. So you give space. Let me show you, for example, just type A element. You can see the symbol of element did not appear because I didn't give space. So give your space. See, the symbol of element has appeared. And go to the front of element, type your B. So A is a member of B, or A is an element of B. So that is it. Let's say you want to do like a subset. So if you type your subset, you can see the symbol did not still appear. Just give space. See, the symbol of subset has appeared just like that. Then B. Then if you say then, let's say you want the other symbol now, you can say proper. If you put proper here, you can see, I know some of us will be saying this is the symbol for subset. You can also use this one symbol for subset depending on what you are trying to represent in your set. So this is a proper subset. Then if you remove the proper, you see subset. Then if you put NOT, see not subset, you can see the symbol of not subset appear. The same thing with your element. If you put NOT, see, not a member of B. So A is not a member of B. Just like that, very quick and fast. So you don't need to stress yourself. Go into Microsoft Word, start looking for symbols and the rest. As I click on the copy and return, see everything is there. You continue your work. Just like that, depending on what you are typing, exam questions, lesson notes, you can be fast. Instead of you coming to insert, coming to symbols, can see, start looking for the symbols. There's no time. More symbols. Before you get all these symbols, you are taking time and it's stressing you. So just come direct here and move on. So go back to your FFX. Then if you want to do an editing here, just click on it, edit, to come back. Okay, let's say I need a symbol for empty set. So let's say A, okay, let's use capital letter. Let's say A is equals to an empty set. No, empty, ES, the symbol of empty just appeared. So just for you to know the symbol you want in your mathematics and type at least the first two letters, it will appear. Or just type it in full. You can see all these symbols for various set elements. So that is set. So this is for set notation. These are the common symbol we have. Then your Venn diagram, you can do that in the other one, in FX Draw. Okay, let's say I want to draw Venn diagram. Okay, so all you need to do in your Microsoft, just put your mouse. Okay. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, just put your mouse where you want your Venn diagram to be. Okay, this is where my mouse is blinking now. Okay, yes, let me adjust my page. Okay, alright, this is where my mouse is blinking. Just go to FX Draw, just click on it. So this is the FX Draw page. You can hide the grid line. You can see there, I just want to hide it. Just click here and hide it. Then come here. There are so many things here. You can see there are so many things you want to do in your mathematics. So many. But all I need is Venn diagram. So this is for 2 sets. Okay, let's say I need 2 sets Venn diagram. Just click and drag. That's all. Then you click. If you click on it, can position it the way you want. If you can see this symbol for setting, can do some setting. You can label it just like that. Let's say this is 4. Put 4 there. Let's say this is 6. Let's say the intersection is 7, just like that. Then put this one over here. Just any one how you want to label it, just like that. And yeah, okay. That is it. Then if it's to shade, depend on you. If you want to shade anywhere, you can see fill. Want to shade any position. Okay, let's say I want to shade here. Then you can edit the. Okay, let's say I need this type of shading. Okay, I've not clicked on it yet. Need to click on it. That's to highlight it. Okay. Okay, let me do it again. Okay. I need to. That means you need to click on this first before you click on this. So that is that. Then you return it. Click here. It will go back to your Microsoft. So it's just there. So depend on what you want, and that is that. So let's move on. Let me remove this. Okay, let's get our equation again. Okay, let me return back. Let's say I'm working on logic. Let me just show you logic. There are so many symbols in mathematics. Let's say I'm working on logic. Let me insert table. Let's say, okay, let me just use this. Oh, okay. Let me just take my table. Okay. Okay, let me take 5 columns. Let me take 4 rows. Why is it coming out like this? Oh, I think it's the setting of my Microsoft. Let me just close it and reopen it. Okay. Let me delete this. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me put my table. Okay. That's come out the way I want it. Okay. So let's say we are working on logic. Normal. Okay. Let's say this is our P. Let's say this is Q. You know the way. Okay. Let's say this is true. But I'm not concerned about the true and the false. All these are things you can easily do in your Microsoft. Let me go here. Let's say I want to type the various symbols for logic, your or, your and, just like that. Implement, your implication, by implication, and the rest. So what you just need to do, put your mouse on where it's blinking, go to your FFX, click on the equation, which is this. It will appear. And in logic, it's very simple. Put your P, then use your shift and minus. See, shift and minus, you can see other symbols, it just appear here, but this is not what I want. I want or. So this is for or symbol in logic. Then Q, just like that. See? Then if you want and, the same thing, P, then shift and minus, then you type your and. See, your and symbol will come out in your logic, just like that. Then take it to where you want to put it. See, it will appear direct. Just like, see, quick and fast way of putting your symbols. Then if you want to edit, click on it. Just click on it, then your edit to come out. Let's say you want to do implication, by implication, just like that. Then if you want to do negation, the same thing. Let's say negation P, so shift and minus, then you do NOT. See, this is symbol for negation, then put your P, just like that. So there are so many things you can actually do here. So just because of time, so let me just show you these few ones. Then IMP, so this is for implication, just like that. P implies Q. Then if it's a by implication, you want to do if and only if, same thing. You do this, then you put your if and only if, that is IFF. Can see it has appeared. Then click this, you take it to your Microsoft, then you continue your work just like that. So this is for set and logic. Think. Okay, before I move, let me just show you, in case you are doing matrices, same thing. Matrix is very easy. Just get your, you can see over here, matrix is already checked. There are other ones, you can see vector is here, you can see your calculus is here, depending on what you want to type. So you can see geometry, so it's a matrix I want, so make sure you click on the matrix, then straight open your bracket, just put the number, let's say 2, always use comma, 2, 3. You can see the first column has appeared, give space, then let's say 4, 6, just like that. Then you close your bracket, you have done your matrix. Let's say A, matrix A is equals to this. So that is it. You move on, check to enter. Then you continue your work quick and easy. You don't need to be going to equation editor in Microsoft and be typing. Just like that, you continue your work and you move on. So many things you can do quick and fast. So many things. So many things. You can do so many things. 6/19 minus 7/18. See, your output is just coming out easily. Let's say plus 3 whole number, you give space, 5 over, let's say over 9. See, you close. Divide, separate divide, see the bracket has left because it knows that you are trying to get a denominator. But if I want the square root to remain in the numerator, I need to open another bracket here. See, so this one will open again, but I don't want that. Just like that, then you move on. Square root 4, square root 6, just like that, plus, so I want it to be a full denominator, so I need to open this. That's very fast. So that is it. Just like that. Then if I say 5 ROOT, it's telling me fifth root, that's fifth root of whatever number I put in front. Let's say 9. As it, close the bracket, it comes out easy and direct, and that is it. Then you click on this, then you continue your work. So that is all from now. Do have a nice day.